It is a video right now. Wait, she's got a smooch Tyson. Go for it.
Tarzana. Sonia.
Right. Dude, leave the monkey alone.
Tarzana. Monkey's gonna steal a chip from my mouth.
Oh yeah, she's gonna make out with you. What, not enough girls in San Juan anymore?
Where's my Pringles?
Hey, Tarzana. Hey.
So what, was this Greg's monkey or something?
Yeah.
No, what the Jim took care of it. Successfully entered into the wild. Tarzana loves Pringles.
She's all fancy. Hi.
Have you ever met a monkey that loves Pringles?
What monkey doesn't like Pringles?
She even just said once you pop, you can't stop.
Stop it.
No, she doesn't like girls. Oh, Tarzana, it's okay. Oh.
She's getting upset about the Pringles. I think she's addicted.
She's definitely addicted.
Ow! Little bitch. She's like, hey, I'm gonna kick your butt.
She wants some fruit. Yeah, she loves some Pringles.
Yeah, let's get...
She definitely wants to bite.
Yeah, you shouldn't make her like, kind of yank it out of your hand.
Yeah, you're trying to give it to her.
No, I don't want to give it to her anymore.
Do we have any fruit?
No, we don't. Dude, she likes
We shouldn't be feeding her all these Pringles. Yeah, like,